That's the boss.
यार मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं गांड फट के हाथ में आ गई थी ठीक है देयर वाज एब्सोल्युटली नो आई मीन वी वर लॉन्चिंग इन फेब द कैंपेन हैड स्टिल नॉट बीन क्लोज्ड वी डिडंट नो व्हाट वाज द क्रिएटिव साइन ऑफ लाइन एवरीवन वाज रनिंग ऑल ओवर द प्लेस उदय वाज इन्वॉल्वड संजय वाज इन्वॉल्वड अजीत वाज फ्यूमिंग एंड आई वाज जस्ट लॉस्ट आई वाज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ हेडलेस चिकन रनिंग फ्रॉम वन कॉर्नर टू द अदर ट्राइंग टू गेट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ semblance of sanity.
I think we pretty much got to see everyone's sort of worst side of their personalities during launch. So, for example, Nikita's negativeness was taken to a whole new level. Sudeep was snorting work so much that I think he pretty much lost sense of who he was that time.
I got a handover on my first day and I was said, this is just the Excel sheet you have to fill, that's about it, and that's it, that's Hotstar, and it's so chilled out. And then I came and I met Swapna and she just smiled and she said,
Everything else is falling apart. Prime Focus being Prime Focus. We're setting a system and things are failing and we just burst out laughing for 5 minutes. We'd be like, what the fuck are we putting together?
I just want to let everybody know a little secret. I have a Hotstar launch PPT version 365. That's the kind of insane work that all of us put in to make Hotstar launch happen.
I really don't remember what part I played in this launch, I don't know what I'm doing here. Who am I?
We had to upload our film on YouTube at 12 a.m. in the night because we had a booking. And I remember at 9 o'clock, our agency started telling us film aa raha hai. So we knew it would be 10:30 by the time it would actually come. But it was actually 11:45. So the scene was that there was someone on, I think it was Pratyush, he was on a call with Google saying aa raha hai. And
बस अब आ रहा है अरे अपलोड करे अभी आ रहा है.
And I was just sitting there thinking that wow, we are a digital service and just look at us.
The Times of India creative, which was to get printed at the Kandivali press, we made them wait for like 10 hours plus. Another hour if they had to wait, you would have not had the newspaper the following day.
And just like that, it was 12 a.m. and I think Hotstar was launched. Only 6-7 people in the room who were at PFT knew because Ashutosh was in Delhi, so he didn't know that it actually.
Ashutosh was in Delhi.
Ashutosh was in Delhi.
Earlier we'd be like, okay, Ajit is going to see it, Vijay is going to see it, Sanjay Gupta is going to see it, and we're like, okay, hang on, the country can see this.
There was everything at the launch party. I mean, especially I remember the breakfast that we had. We all had to go to the 37th floor and that was supposed to be some place where no man had ever been before and we were the luckiest chosen ones. And there was a great spread of juices and this, that and the other, but there was no halwa.
As you know, at the beginning of any product launch, there's always a lot of questions that need answers. There were...
Yeah, I think the chaos was definitely in understanding the platform for the team and also to represent it in the market, right? Being in the sales team, I think the major chaos was around really making sure that when you're out in a demo, the app worked.
Though the product team was very, they knew that the product was still in its initial stages. So they were always open to feedback. But I mean, we also were like pretty ruthless, to be honest. कि कुछ भी नहीं चलता था, कुछ भी नहीं होता था, उसका screenshot लेके, this is not working, please repair this. And Ani, of course, wasn't very happy. Or he was. Actually, you should ask him that.
Ani, live streaming is not working, but my internet is switched off.
Ani, the app is crashing. Oh wait, I don't have the app.
Ani, I'm not getting any notifications. Notifications are switched off in my phone.
When Hotstar launched, there was the World Cup and then the IPL came. So everyone was working towards making sure people who came onto Hotstar, they could see the match, they could catch up to the match, they could catch up to every highlights and they exactly knew what was happening in the World Cup.
It was world digital premiere, TV se pehle, and Action Jackson with Ajay Devgan. The movie was really average, but I mean, we promoted the hell out of it because it was such a big news for us, saying that, dude, forget TV because it's so passe.
Action Jackson was premiering 6 a.m. the next day, and the previous day at 7:30 or 8
in the evening.
We have some from marketing walk up to us and say, realize that there are no rights.
I think for 10 minutes, all we did was
It was chaos.
sit in our seats and say,
what to do next. Correct. I think we woke Ajay Devgan up, and then he sent us an email saying that it's okay, and that's when we went live with Action Jackson.
Yeah, I think the first week was 6 days was 1 million. And I think 10 days it was 2 million.
2 million. And that was the time when we really looked at Google and Facebook in the eye and told them that we could do it, because they were the ones who came and told us and laughed at our face, telling us that, you know, these numbers have never been done by anyone and you guys must be sort of out of your minds and smoking some real good shit if you think you can do that.
It was 15th Feb, India Park match. We touched 25 million video views.
So one bet was that it's India-Pakistan, it's a weekend. Why would people watch it on their phone? They'll switch on their big TVs and watch everything there.
That's right.
So we were flabbergasted to see, I mean, such a huge number.
You are looking at the stream continuously for 6 hours and somebody comes down and asks you that score kya hua hai? And you're looking at like, score kaun dekh raha hai? Sale stream dekh rahe hain hum log.
And then India-Australia, which was the semi-finals on 26th of March, we broke all the previous records as well.
The match starts and everything looks good. We are monitoring all our servers and everything. And suddenly Google Analytics stopped working. And we realized that we had really hit like a large number of unique users on the site. And it kept increasing. And it was like, yeah, we're doing it.
And this is all happening before even the first ball has been bowled. It's like Parag is not here, but he was actually sitting in front of the PC and this guy just goes flat like this. And I think like, fine, everything is cool, he's just trying to watch the match and he's like, sab band hone wala hai.
When we did realize that it wasn't us who actually cocked up and that whatever went wrong was a result of the internet breaking, it's not something that you can verbalize. It has to be like almost spiritual, because nobody will believe it when you say, ha, humne to internet toda hai. We're like, fuck you, like what are you talking about? Because we also didn't know it.
Apparently we were bigger than FIFA finals match that happened. We were bigger than the Super Bowl finals for 2014, and we got Akamai to write a mail first to us because we were not going to own up, if it went wrong, to ensure that, our asses are covered before we send it out to Ajit.
And among all this madness, we get mails from Ajit saying, oh, we have broken this record. And that's when we have a breather.
And in addition to that, go party. I'm like, hello.
And then from IPL onwards, we remained on the #1 slot for like continuous, almost a month.
30 days, yeah.
When we saw the app on the #1 position on the Play Store, I remember like everyone got up on the floor and started clapping. And I, like most normal people, I immediately went to LinkedIn and put it up on my profile because I was hoping people would take notice of that.
जब नाइट की राइड में बच जाएंगे रुपए हजार, स्वामी will go far, very far.
IPL, we did a much better job than YouTube.
So much better that recently when Asia Cup was supposed to, there was the India-Pakistan series that was supposed to happen, which the rights went to YouTube, and they sent us a proposal for an advertising piece. We looked at numbers and we said, are these for half an hour or 1 hour? They said, no, this is for the whole tournament. We said, no, are you sure? Are you not sure it's for 1 or 2 hours? No, it's for the whole series. He said, okay, we don't want it.
I don't think there was ever any intimidation or ever a feeling of being intimidated by YouTube. I guess the difference is that they do a lot of things well, we do fewer things better.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Oh shit.
Fuck it, yeah.
We brought profanity.
So with Juicy Half Volley, that was the kind of barriers we broke. We decided to bring in the AIB bunch and just break all molds. And yeah, language was one of them. We merged cricket with beef. We merged cricket and took sledging to a whole new level.
So we did everything that could have got us banned.
So apart from the movies which existed on the platform, we thought it's an excellent opportunity to get these stars for free, get them on Hotstar, create some exciting content with them, which is what led to the creation of M Bole To, which now is an outstanding Hotstar original property.
M Bole To is
Masti.
Yeah, Masti.
Fun.
It's a mad
Very
show
sort
about
of,
mad stars from Bollywood. I think we made a show out of bloopers. Once we lost footage of Akshay Kumar. 20 minutes footage from a very important star for a very important film. I think that day,
we all wished. I think we all wished that we could do something about ourselves.
Kis Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do extension was discovered by Swapna.
I was going through forums to just see if it's just viewing or if it's like actually people like real fan following, you know. And it was amazing the different versions of the show that this show had like led to. There was a 50 Shades of Grey version of Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do. There was some erotic version of the same show. It was they were just trying to relive these two characters.
So every time Ajit or Vijay used to ask us, "Are you confident about it? Are you sure about this?" We were like, "Yeah, it's written all over our face. Yes, this is going to make it."
So it was a great time for Hotstar as a original content. So give it a closer, and that was a thinking I had in my mind while I was designing the whole communication with my team.
Any posts that we had on Facebook or any posts that we had on Twitter, the first comment, whether it was sports or whether it was GEC movies, whatever, the first comment was always, "We are so glad you have brought back Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do. We love Khushi, we love Arnav. Arnav and Khushi forever. We love you. My lovely boy. Hashtag Kissy."
I think AIB also was the first time we started working with Dev Hashish Deba. So it felt like we are a unit because पहले हम बिखरे हुए थे and I mean Akash चले गए and then we had no father and Ajit had no time for us, like one of those Dharavi kids in northern Maharashtra were just fucking around, walking, looking for attention types.
29th, it has to go on air on Hotstar platform, and after the shoot we came to know that there is no Hotstar branding anywhere in the show. So it came to us, promo team, that we have to do something, means like we have to put the Hotstar original branding, means like on the podium. So there were 250 shots which we changed, we put the Hotstar original logo in it, and the show, means like we met the deadlines.
But the question is, who missed out the thing? That is the question.
Who missed out?
Who missed out?
Who?
Who?
हम लोग ने तो सिर्फ काम किया था यार.
तो किसको देखना था? Somebody had to see ना कि ideally should be there on the set.
मैं तो नहीं देखने वाला था. It was the production house. Means like there was some miscommunication with the production house and Hotstar. Everybody went solo.
Ajit as a person is not easy to break bad news to. I mean, you'd hope that he'd understand, but you go in fully knowing it's not going to happen.
I remember this one conversation all of us had with Ajit, wherein we sort of went up to him with a puppy face and we told him that 2 million downloads in 2 months has never been done by anyone, and it's statistically not possible. And by the end of that conversation, our target became 5 million.
One pushback is always that you guys are not digging enough. You're not looking at the data enough. You guys should be more curious. Just get into the numbers, see what do they reveal.
There's certain principles around which he normally has those conversations, and it's always about keeping a straight face and looking into your eyes and asking you, really, are you saying the truth or are you just blowing up smoke?
I don't know what you guys are doing. I think you've just managed to keep yourself exceptionally busy for some reason. But
I don't know what you guys are doing. I don't know what you guys are doing. Oh, Vijay.
The zillions and gazillions of apps that are out there, and to be in the top 10 from that lot. If I'm a sports person and I win like a gold at the Olympics, I mean, that's like the biggest honor that you can get in the field of sports, right?
So, top 10 trending searches for entertainment in Google in India. I think the nominations were won and we were the winner of it.
It's taken a lot of blood, sweat and, fights. We've fought over it, we've fought for it, we fought for what was right for us. Feel like, it's like an era.
I still think we are in the launch phase for some reason. Because it's almost like the launch, it's happening and it just continues happening because it's never a dull moment at Hotstar.
I'm really attached to Hotstar. When something goes wrong, I take it personally because I feel like I've helped shape. Yeah, it's the only baby I'll have. It's the small things that go wrong. I take it really personally. So even when somebody does fuck up, I'm pretty harsh with them because I feel that it's a little.
It's not with me then.
Yeah, not with you. I love you, man.
So it's been great learning. It's been great teamwork from everyone, be it the junior-most person in the team, people who are working from PFT, sales team spread across the country today. We're so big.
Atrangi holo, go solo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go up, go down, go left, and go right, and we go down again.
Went to the right, down, up, down.
You know the pain that goes behind this.
Look. Just do it again.
Dude, do we have to do it?
What left, right? Like this. You want to do two ways.
Okay, got it.
पहाड़
ये करो.
हाँ
Then up.
हाँ
Then here.
yeah.
And then.
तो मैं क्या कर रही थी?
Sadak. Hotstar.